Move rear bumper kits are custom made for your specific vehicle and come with all the pieces you need to weld your rear bumper together quickly, then easily mount onto your truck. We suggest that you use proper safety gear and equipment while fabricating your bumper kit. Review the instructions and packing list that was included with your bumper kit. Confirm that you have all of the bumper kit pieces prior to starting to build your bumper. If you are missing any pieces, please contact Move. To start your bumper build, remove your existing rear bumper and move it away from your work area. Next, bolt the included rear frame mounts onto the rear frame of your vehicle. Line up the rear bumper pieces with a straight edge and tack weld the pieces together. Use clamps as necessary to hold the pieces in place and keep them from moving. Continue to tack weld all of the rear bumper kit sections together. Once you have the bumper tack welded together, you're ready to test fit the rear bumper on your vehicle.